naturalist at Lafite Thompson Nature Sanctuary. We are here bringing you Animal Encounters in partnership with Missouri 4-H and the University of Missouri Extension. Today we are going to talk about this critter we have right here, the eastern tiger salamander. This is our eastern tiger salamander. You can find this species all over Missouri around ponds, streams. They usually hang out in burrows or under logs. Salamanders in general are amphibians, so they spend about half of their lifetime in the water and half of it on land. These guys have to keep their skin quite hydrated. You can tell there's some water in there, so we're keeping him hydrated. We've had this guy for about 8 or 9 years, so it's a pretty old salamander. The oldest one ever kept was 12 years old, which is pretty cool to think that a salamander can live that long. Some fun features about salamanders: they can breathe through their skin, so they take in oxygen through their skin. They don't have claws and they don't have teeth. Instead, they just have a little sort of hard abrasive part on the roof of their mouth. So when they eat, they kind of just mash it up there. So no teeth involved. All right, so the eggs of these salamanders get laid in the fall, and they look kind of like this. They're super weird. They look like weird little jelly balls. They look a lot like frog eggs if you've ever seen them. Now you can see each one of those weird little C shapes is a baby salamander to be. And this looks like it's been laid on a rock or something like that to keep them from moving in the water, which is where they would be. And then once those hatch, they turn into what we call a larva. And they kind of look like little fish, but a weird thing is they've got these little doohickeys here. These are external gills. So they have gills, but they're not quite like a fish's, which is inside. So that's internal. These are outside. That's the external gills. So these guys will hang out and eat and eat and eat pretty much whatever can fit in their mouth, until eventually they will grow legs, and they still have those external gills. Still a larva. That's what we still call it. And then eventually they will grow and become that salamander right there, the adult. Now we're gonna feed our salamander, and in the tongs here you just have a cricket, one of their favorite foods. It's one of the main things we feed them. They love all sorts of bugs. And oh, he's going for it. There he goes, and he's got it. And he's just gonna swallow that. Again, doesn't have any teeth, just has that little rough patch.